Hi, and welcome back to Sailing Zephyr. After 3.5 years of sailing, we have finally made it to the east coast of the US. Join us as we make the 1,000 nautical mile journey from Fort Lauderdale to Annapolis. If you would like to support our journey, a great way is by clicking the subscribe button. Enjoy the video, guys. Hello. Today's an exciting day. We are leaving Fort Lauderdale and we are headed to St. Augustine. It's about 200 nautical mile run, so we're definitely going to be doing an overnighter at least. We should be sailing the whole entire way because we've actually got wind from the southeast. We will be downwind sailing pretty much the whole way, so pretty exciting for the sail, excited for the sail and excited for St. Augustine, the oldest city.
It has the oldest fort in America.
It's the oldest town in America or something like that. Yeah. Anyway, very cool. I'm really looking forward to it. And James's birthday tomorrow. But we're going to be sailing, which is kind of like a birthday present, isn't it?
It is. I love sailing. So.
Although we did do some early celebrating in Fort Lauderdale, as James's mum kindly got him tickets to the ice hockey playoffs, which absolutely made his birthday. Anyway, so we've just gone through the first two bridges, got one more to go, and then we will be out into the breakwater and then heading out into the Atlantic and taking advantage of that wind all the way up to St. Augustine. So that's all we have to report today. Here we go. So we're currently in the Gulf Stream now, and it's really pushing us. So we went from 6 knots up to about 8 knots, and that's given us like an extra 2 knots just from being in the Gulf Stream. So absolutely amazing. Sailing wise, we're doing okay. I think we had a bit too much main out, so we're kind of being thrown off there for a bit. So just putting a little bit of main in, reducing a little, and hopefully that doesn't take away from our speed too much. But as you can see, we're not that far away from the coast, and it's a little bit uncomfortable because we're not we're not downwind yet, and we've got waves on our beam, so all the swell is kind of keeps pushing us off, but it's not too bad. So once we turn a little bit more, we should have more downwind.
Hello.
But yeah, there's some big sets coming through every so often.
We're in front of Cape Canaveral, and you can see like the platforms where they're gonna launch rockets and stuff. And they're launching one tomorrow. The SpaceX guys, I think they launch one like every couple of days at the moment. But it's incredible. Everything is just enormous. You can see the big towers. You can see one of the rockets. So maybe we'll hit it on the way down when we come back down the East Coast. So we're able to pull out the Genoas to the other side. So we're wing on wing, which is kind of cool. But we still have the motor sail because we've got 5.1 knots of true. So yeah. And it's my birthday! Yay! Oh, birthday present! What's it gonna be? What every man needs. Clothes.
Clothes.
Very nice.
Nice Columbia one.
Yeah.
Gray, your favorite.
Thank you.
And white, which isn't so good for the boat.
No, but every white shirt I had last time. Ah, Ben shirt. Oh, that's cool, man. I like it.
What's on the back?
It says Ben's. Together we are all one.
Always right. It gets me couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na na na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me.
Ow! Just got whacked in the head.
When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming.
Now it's continuing the spoiling treatment, and she's made me fish and vegetables and avocado salad.
Veggies, fish is on the go, and salad. Nice meal.
It's amazing. Let me check it out. Hold on. Well, it is about 10:30 at the moment. My birthday is coming to an end. A little bit gutted. We've had to motor sail all day. The wind doesn't show. The wind doesn't show. We have about 7 hours to go with this inlet. We want to time slot tide. So we are going to be arriving basically just as it goes high. So that should be pretty good. We should have lots of water. Current should be minimal, and sea state is pretty chill. So should be a pretty smooth entrance. Nat's just about ready to head down to bed, and I'm gonna do some night shift, and then Nat will come in later in the night. Got a book to read. Got some backgammon to play. Well, we'll check back with you in the morning as we approach the inlet. All right, guys. Good night.
I can just see the first markers here, so we're going to be turning in, and I'm going to try and set this up on the top of the mast. Oh, not the top of the mast. On the top of the arch, so that we can time lapse going in. I think that would be really cool.
When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. Oh, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
Well, we have made it. Look at that view. Some Spanish fort. We're gonna check it all out later. Apparently this is one of the oldest cities in America, or the oldest. And we've anchored here. There's a bunch of mooring fields that they've put in over here, which takes away from the really primo anchoring spots, but the fact that we're anchored in front of a fort is awesome. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go to bed. Yeah, the second 12 hours of the trip was just horrible, as we told you, and then it just kind of messed with our sleep. So had a bit of brekkie, anchor's good, time to get some sleep. All right, guys, see you later. Yeah, you got the dinghy?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got a test, right?
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, our dinghy motor has been acting up again. We were so happy we thought we'd resolved it. And on our way back yesterday, we nearly didn't make it back from the beach because it started doing some weird things. I had to look at it and then tested it again yesterday. It seemed to be working fine, but I don't know. We'll see how we go. We got the oars in just in case. All right, let's see how we go. Not a good start. So on neutral it seems to work all right, but we'll see how we go under power. Worst case scenario, we might have to just go to the beach today. So, all right, let me put the safety cord on. We all know what happens last time when I didn't use the safety cord, so.
I've let go.
All right, there goes that. There you go, the moment of truth.
going a bit slow. Slow.
So far, so good. But, I don't know.
Now.
I'll go this way a little bit. Get some shelter.
Go down to the Marina office now, pay up, and then go and explore St. Augustine.
Yeah, I mean, we don't like paying for dinghy docks as it is, but we sliced our foot up bad on oysters yesterday, so.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
No.
Now
Wow.
I can't walk.
Look at the current
Holy.
coming in. You wouldn't want one of these Marina slips. So yeah, where we are in St. Augustine, there's a 4.5 foot tide, and the Marina's pretty close to the cut. So yeah, it rages through here, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's insane.
I heard it can get up to a 4.5 to 5 knot current through here. And look at this. That just shows you how fast it's moving. All right, let's go pay this up. I'm gonna give this guy a hand too.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Want to lift your hand? Kind of push it right on, isn't it?
He's lovely. Right, get that sticker on.
All right, so this is our little sticker they gave us. So
Dinghy.
I was told I can put it on the Hapalon,
The ding.
the dingo, on Carl, and it'll come off.
Have you
But they
seen
said
Carl?
it has to be visible or else they'll lock our dinghy up if they don't see the sticker. There we go.
Perfect.
We're legal.
Legal for a day.
How you doing, man?
Hey.
Lovely dog.
Beautiful. Hello, beauty. Oh, look at this thing.
Oh wow.
Oh, this was they gave it to them from Aviles in Spain. To the sister city of St. Augustine, Florida.
Look at this.
How is it still holding?
I don't know. It's got like, it's actually like on a lean, the whole house, like going like this way. Amazing. Every street you walk down here in St. Augustine has history. It's incredible.
This is the church and hospital.
How do you say it in Spanish?
Nuestra Señora de la Soledad.
So you don't get to hear Nat speak her Spanish very often, but this is perfect for her because this is all Spanish
Anyway,
history.
look at this map. There's so much to see. We're gonna try and see it all.
All right, so we're here at the Leitner Museum. So my understanding is this was purchased by a guy named Otto Leitner after the crash in 1929, and he bought it to house like all of his collectibles, something like 40 or 50,000 collectibles. So he plowed all of that into here, and then I think in about 1950 he died, and what he did is he actually donated the whole place to the city. So all like the casinos and pools and all that converted into well, what it is now. I think it's like a place for city office. And
Very cool.
Alright guys, so literally just across the street from the Leitner Museum is Flagler College. So this guy, Henry Flagler, actually built this, which used to be a hotel before it was a college, and the Leitner Museum. So my understanding is this was part of his hotel chain. Apparently like US presidents came here and had big receptions. And then in late 60s, it was converted into the Flagler College, which it is now. So pretty cool. It used to be called the Ponce de Leon Hotel.
Ponce de Leon.
Ponce de Leon Hotel. And apparently he's also responsible for building, just getting all the information here, the East Coast Railway in Florida. This guy was amazing.
He's so chunky.
Alright guys, well we are at the oldest drugstore in St. Augustine, I think 1887. Another one of old Flagler's buildings. So this guy seems to be everywhere in St. Augustine. He has got the college, he's got hotels, he's got drugstores. I think I've seen museums. Like obviously old Flaggy here is
Did everything.
did everything. He basically built St. Augustine by the sounds of it. So. George Street, there you go, we're on George Street.
So quaint and beautiful.